Hey guys, while you're trying to opening a website and you will face a step of the problem that your connection is not private, attackers might be trying to steal your information. So let me guide how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to just open a new tab and then click on the three dots at the very top right corner and then just click on the history option here and then click on history and it will find such type of the interface for you. Then you have to just click on the clear browsing data here. Just tap on this option here. A new tab will be open for you and then click on privacy and security and select the advanced and set it for all the time and then click on the clear data. It will take a while for clearing your browsing data. Now minimize this window and you have to just open your control panel in your PC or laptop. After opening, you have to just select the category and turn it to the small icons here. After doing so, you have to just click on the internet and the sharing center option and now click on the change adapter settings here. A new window will be open for you. You have to just right click on the Wi-Fi and then click on the properties. This type of pop-up will be open for you. You have to just double click on the internet protocol version 4 option here and now you have to just click on use the following DNS server address here and turn it on and put here the address 8888 and again 88 and 44 and then press OK. After doing so, close all of these windows and restart your PC one time. After this, your problem will be resolved. If you are still facing this problem, then you have to just reset your PC time and date. After this, your problem will be resolved. So I hope this video will fix your problem. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.